Hello there. My name is Jason Perkins. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in handling Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation laws. Today I want to talk to you about workers' compensation mileage reimbursement amounts. Now, the first question you may have is, does Georgia workers' compensation reimburse for mileage? Yes, it does, but many people who are hurt on the job in Georgia do not know that it does. Workers' compensation reimburses for medical mileage, but only if you or your attorney request that reimbursement. Often, the workers' compensation insurance company may not tell you that. Now, let's talk about what sort of mileage workers' compensation covers. So, workers' compensation mileage reimbursement is part of the medical coverage of Georgia workers' compensation law. So, the insurance company is reimbursing you for your medical mileage. Now, this is for travel from your home to the place that you're getting evaluation or treatment and back. And it's covering your medical appointments. So, if you're seeing your treating physician for evaluation and treatment, an office visit, or you're going to get an MRI done, or to the pharmacy to pick up medications, or to physical therapy, and workers' compensation is covering that evaluation or treatment, then you should be able to get reimbursed for your mileage back and forth to that appointment as well. Now, how much does workers' compensation reimburse you for mileage? So that amount actually has changed recently. It increased. It had been the same amount for a number of years, and it recently increased from 40 cents per mile to 45 cents per mile. But this increase may only apply to you for mileage that you've traveled after the increase occurred. So the increase occurred in 2023. Now, if your mileage was before the increase occurred, you may get reimbursed at the old 40 cents a mile rate. If it was after the increase occurred, it may be at 45 cents a mile. Now, one other important thing to understand is that there are deadlines for submitting mileage reimbursement. There's deadlines for many different parts of Georgia's workers' compensation law. You have to file your claim within a certain period of time. There's deadlines that can run if you don't get certain types of benefits that can prevent you from getting those benefits at some point again in the future. And there's also a deadline for your mileage reimbursement request. That deadline is that you have 1 year from when you incurred the mileage to get reimbursed for it. So if you wait too long, you may start losing some of the mileage that you could get reimbursement for. It's very important to seek that reimbursement timely so that you're sure to be able to get reimbursed for the mileage costs that you incur. Hope you found this information about workers' compensation mileage reimbursement helpful. If you have, please let me know that by leaving a thumbs up or liking this video. If you've got more questions about Georgia workers' compensation law, I'd encourage you to reach out and get answers to those questions. The best way to do that is set up a free consultation about your case. There's two easy ways you can schedule that consultation if you'd like to do so. One is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, and the other is by reaching out to us through our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. Just click on and submit the free consultation request form, and a member of our team will reach out to you and get that consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today, and we'll wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.